Were those sweats?
Dude, he's really gonna do this with no shirt. Here we go. Put this red ninja mask on. Oh my god.
Next.
Shane, please be careful.
Yeah.
No, I'm not doing this.
Motherfucker.
$5 fucking. Did you say yo do it?
Yes.
Oh my
Wait,
goodness.
No, never mind. I'm a girl.
Yeah.
Combat.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
I think no shirt made him go faster.
Yeah.
Aerodynamics. Shane, you are a legend!
Woo! You're fucking retarded. Dude, for $5, fuck that. I bet he's freezing his ass off.
I'm not gonna lie, that's brass balls right there. That's fucking balls of steel.
Dude, that's probably so cold.
Oh yeah.
That's props right there. Do it again.